Simpleng pananghalian, baked fresh tilapia, nilagang eggplant, nilagang what is this name, eggplant, baked fresh tilapia at nilagang talong, baked fresh tilapia at nilagang talong na may sawsawang toyo at kalamansi, fresh baked tilapia, nilagang talong at sawsawang toyo with kalamansi. Simpleng pananghalian, Pilipino.